India is a land of incredible diversity. It boasts a multitude of languages, religions, and cultures. This rich tapestry is woven into the very fabric of our nation. Our Constitution recognizes this diversity and enshrines the principle of secularism. This means all religions are equal in the eyes of the law. Secularism is not just an ideal, it is a necessity. It ensures that all citizens, regardless of their faith, have equal rights and opportunities. It prevents discrimination and promotes harmony. India's history is a testament to the peaceful coexistence of different communities. This harmonious blend is what makes India unique. However, this harmony is facing challenges in contemporary times. Certain ideologies threaten to disrupt the delicate balance of our society. It's crucial to understand these challenges and work towards preserving our secular fabric. Our commitment to secularism is crucial for the well-being of our nation. It is a value we must cherish and protect for generations to come. In recent years, we have witnessed the rise of Hindutva. This ideology seeks to redefine India's identity solely based on Hindu beliefs. While Hindutva proponents argue for a cultural renaissance, their approach raises serious concerns. One of the most significant dangers of Hindutva is its potential to marginalize minorities. By promoting the idea of a Hindu nation, it creates a sense of exclusion for non-Hindu communities. This can lead to discrimination, prejudice, and even violence against minorities. Furthermore, Hindutva often distorts historical narratives. It attempts to rewrite history by downplaying the contributions of non-Hindu rulers and communities. This manipulation of history can create a skewed understanding of India's past. The rise of Hindutva poses a significant threat to India's secular fabric. It undermines the very principles of equality and unity that our Constitution upholds. It is imperative that we recognize the dangers of this ideology and work towards preserving the secular nature of our nation.
In a democracy, citizens are not merely spectators, they are active participants. It is the duty of every citizen to safeguard democratic values, engage in informed debate and discussion, listen to different perspectives, even if we disagree. Respectful dialogue bridges divides and finds common ground. Hold our leaders accountable, question their actions and demand transparency. Apathy emboldens those who undermine democracy. Stand up for the rights of others. When one community is targeted, it weakens our nation. Stand in solidarity and fight for justice and equality. Democracy thrives on active participation. Embrace our roles as guardians of democracy for a just society. This video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated.